you know. It's me, Ramay. Today I bought Bungeo-ppang. It's called Bungeo-ppang. It's an cream puff, some kind of pastry which you usually eat hot. So normally the price of Bungeo-ppang is like 1000 won for 3 Bungeo-ppang. I bought the cream one, but also you can get in the red beans. So can you see the Bungeo-ppang? Isn't that awesome? Bungeo-ppang. Now I'm going to do the taste test. Ooh, it's so hot. I'm loving it. Oh. Mmm. Can you see the cream? Mmm. Awesome. If you come to Korea, make sure to buy the Bungeo-ppang, to be honest with you. It's lovely. It's awesome. I mean, the guy, the Ajashi, the guy is super awesome. Again, subscribe to my channel. Come to Korea. You know what? My favorite dish or favorite quick snack is in Korea is Bungeo-ppang. I'm loving it, Bungeo-ppang.